Hello, many of you are interested in the theory of relativity. Today, I want to talk about special relativity, not based on traditional formulas, but on geometric structures and the fundamental principles of nature. Let's look at the time delay formula in special relativity. The denominator has 1 VC. This formula involves the process of compressing a plane into a line. In nature, inertia is a three-dimensional structure, where the front and rear and left and right are symmetrical. However, relativity forces this solid into a linear structure, with only front and back left as speed increases. In nature, front-to-back symmetry is one-time and consuming, round-trip exercise, straight progress. Eventually, energy is depleted and disappears. But most of nature's stable structures, vortices, galaxies, typhoons, DNA, atoms have rotations, cycles, and three-dimensional symmetry. In relation to the length contraction, that the faster the speed, the shorter the distance traveled, physically means condensation of density. The fact that the distance a matter must travel to reach the speed of light is zero signifies the disappearance of space. If length contracts and density increase infinitely, this directly contradicts the existing setting that the mass of light is zero. Since length cannot be arbitrarily shortened within a space with a substance, shouldn't space be seen as an unchanging domain, rather than a variable object that changes according to the observer? Light has finite speed, so can't shorten the length it should travel. Since humans cannot measure or observe the size of space or time or space cannot be quantified, people perceive the volatility of matter as a change in space or time. The universe should be perceived as relatively unknown by humans. Speed means being fast in relation to slowness. People think of it as a temporary fix, but actual movement cannot explain it. Therefore, the time and space we measure are not absolute numbers, but rather relative perceptions from the human perspective. Most stable structures in nature, vortices, galaxies, typhoons, form three-dimensional symmetries, including rotation and circulation. In the process of simplifying this into line and interpreting it, linear bias can reveal structural imperfections. In other words, according to the time-bound calculation formula in special relativity, the expansion of the plane appears as much as it is compressed into a line.